Okay, I'm going to put the directions on the screen here. You can pause and read them on how to do the test. And there's the backside. So now we're going to follow these instructions and we're going to see exactly where we come out. Okay, so every day I've taken my pool water test for the last 2 months. Today I was at 5 to 10 chlorine on the color gauge. pH was 7.8 and I added a pint of acid. I keep my pH at 7.6. So now we're going to run these tests and we're going to record the free chlorine and the combined chlorine. And we're going to follow the instructions, okay? First thing it says to do in the instructions here is to rinse and fill this to 25 ml, which is this top line. 25 ml is this top line right here. This is the most accurate chlorine test you can get. It'll pinpoint it right down to a number instead of a range. And that's kind of what I need. This is what I do. We'll rinse it a few times. All right. And then we'll adjust it to be 25 ml. Okay? We need to knock it down to here. That's a little under now, see? I did a little too much. That's all right. We just put a little more in. Do it again. Life isn't perfect. That's right on the money now, 25 ml. This is the first time I'm doing this. I've never done it before. Okay? We're using the 25 mLs. I have to add 2 dippers of powder. Now I don't know how to really figure this out, 2 dippers. But here's one. 2 dippers of powder, that's what I have in here. And swirl to mix. If pink color appears, there's chlorine in the water present, okay? And that's the pretty pink. And everything's dissolved in there. But that's the swirl to mix. So let's turn our sheet over now. We're going to take our 871 drop-wise, counting after each drop until color changes from pink to colorless. All right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to say there's just a little bit of pink left in there. 19. That is completely colorless now. So that was 19 drops. 19 drops on the free chlorine. 19 drops. Okay. Now, I add 5 drops of R003. It'll turn pink. 5 drops of R003. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swirl to mix. I'm not getting any combined chlorine. Nothing. That's clear to me. So I'm getting 0 for combined chlorine. I'm going to mark that that stayed clear. And I needed 0 drops. That is the test as it was supposed to be run. I ran it properly. So I will calculate out what the 19 drops are. (19 times 0.2 would be 3.8. My free chlorine is 3.8. And that's it. That's the test. Thanks for sticking it out, and that's how we do it. A new test I've run. Thanks for watching.